Hi loves, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to install your glueless wig and how to style it as well. The glueless wig comes with a super high elastic band which is very tight. That is what makes it glueless because it stays in place.
Taking me out of the ordinary. I want you lay me down till we're dead and buried. On the edge of your knife, staying drunk in your vine. The angels up in the clouds are jealous knowing we found something so well of the
So I'm just trying to place the wig very well to fit my ear tag.
you taking me out of the ordinary. I want you lay me down till we're dead and buried. On the edge of your knife, staying drunk in your vine. The angels up in the clouds are just...
So I know this is a glueless wig, but I'm going to be applying a hair glue spray on the two ear tabs because this part of the wig is not going to stay on your head like very well. It's going to lift if you don't put the hair glue spray, but I'm not going to put as much as I will if it was not a glueless wig. So I'm just going to spray it, allow it dry and spray again. That's 2 times. Then press the hair down and put my melting band. I'm going to do this at the right side of the ear tab and at the left side as well. I'm not going to be putting it in the middle because it's going to fit. So now I'm going to be styling the wig seaside part. Yeah, just something very easy.
You taking me out of the ordinary. I want you lay me down till we're dead and buried. On the edge of your knife, staying drunk in your vine. The angels up in the clouds are jealous knowing we found something so well. I want you lay me down till we're dead and buried. On the edge of your knife, staying drunk in your vine. The angels up in the clouds are jealous knowing we found something.
So here I'm not trying to do too much. I'm just using my hot comb to make this side flat so it doesn't look so bulky. I really like Glueless Wig because you don't have to do too much. You just have to apply that glue spray on the left and right part of your ear tab, and that's all. Like, you don't have to do too much. Like, so because I want a seaside part bob, I'm just using my hair straightener to bob the strands. I've showed how to bob your wig on my page, so you can just go to my page and look for how to bob your wig. It's really simple, like really simple. I hope this video has been helpful, and I hope you don't have problems installing your glueless wig, because I mean, it's really easy. You can also install your glueless wig without putting the hair glue spray, but better to be safe than sorry. So so that's why I'm putting the hair glue spray. Yeah. This is the same hair that was looking crazy in the beginning. So what do you guys think? Are you going to be trying this? Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to your friends and loved ones. Bye. Thank you for watching. Mwah.